Alright guys, today's the 6th of November. Now yesterday we had a pretty much balanced day, and so we stayed in the range. Obviously, as you probably saw, we kind of just went sideways, sideways, sideways. Didn't really do much. The ES had pretty nice action. The NQ was a little bit less fun, but it was pretty much the same thing, just sideways. Now obviously overnight we kind of had a little dip. It's already pretty much recovered. Came down below the poor high that we established right here. Okay, so as you can see, we have a pretty poor low that we want to take out. Okay, and also we have a little gap. Okay, so we have a pretty bad structure to the downside on the NQ on the ES. Okay, so we're gonna keep those in mind. Okay, because it did take those out overnight. Okay, so it's not really valid unless it takes it out in the regular trading session. Okay, so we're gonna keep these levels in place until they get taken out, obviously on the regular trading hours. Okay, so we're going to mark it out. Poor low. Again, a poor low is likely to be taken out. Okay, it means there's an incomplete auction here, right? Obviously, a good auction looks like this, right? Looks like a little tape. It tapers off, right? It tapers off. It doesn't just end. Okay. Whenever it just ends like this, it means the market is kind of emotional. Um, you know, people are still wanting to do business at lower prices. So whenever prices start getting a little bit lower, this is likely to be just taken out and um, traded into. We're going to use value as our references, as obviously today's a balance day. So we're expecting prices to stay in balance until they're not in balance anymore. So obviously above value, we're going to be bullish. Alright, so basically, as long as we're inside here, you expect continuation of this balance, right? You expect prices to continue trading inside until you see some high volume to push it away from this value. Okay, value is this gray area here. Okay, this is 70% of the trading action for the day, right? So for yesterday's action, this is 70% of the trading action. Okay, so this is value. Okay, so we need a lot of volume to move away from this value. And so if you don't see a lot of volume on today's session, then obviously you should expect prices to remain stuck inside here. Okay, but if there's high volume, you can expect a breakout to either side. Alright, that's it for the ES. Now let's take a look at the NQ. Alright, so we have the same idea on the NQ. We do have a poor high. We're just gonna borrow this level from earlier. Alright, so we have a poor high here. Okay, we have a value area high. Okay, again, same idea as the ES. Above value area high, we're bullish. Above, we're bullish. Value area low. Obviously, below this, we're bearish. Okay, again, if we are inside, low volume, expect market to stay inside. High volume, expect a breakout. Okay, we also have a gap that we need to fill. So keep in mind, if we do break to the downside, very likely we fill this gap. Okay, very likely we fill this gap right here. Alright, so above there's really no references, there's just this poor high, and then obviously another poor high up there. So there's really open skies above for the NQ. Okay, but that's pretty much it for the NQ. So take a screenshot right now. I'll let you take So you take these levels down, and I'll move on to the NQ, to the YM. Alright. Alright, last but not least, we're gonna do the same thing for the YM. Value area high, above bullish, value area low, bearish. Okay, again, same thing. Stay in value if low volume. Stay away from value. I move away from value with high volume. Okay, if we move away from value with low volume, you should expect a move back inside. Okay, because that's not going to be supported. Okay, so look for high volume. That's going to be the key. Otherwise, it's not really going to work. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, just take these numbers down, take their levels down, take a screenshot. I do share these levels automatically with the members. So if you do want to check out the membership, that's there's a link in the description for that. Also, if you haven't joined the free Discord, there's a link for that too. If you have any questions, just reach out to me on the Discord or just leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. And thanks for watching, guys.